help. There will be victory. There will be sounds of revival in this camp. There will be help. There will be victory. There will be sounds of revival in Adulam. There will be help. There will be victory. There will be sounds of revival in this camp. Dun 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 dun. They brought it straight from heaven. They were cooking it. They were cooking it in heaven. And the Lord was looking for someone who has listening ears, who can pick this thing. And as I'm speaking now, sounds begin to come to someone's bones now. It's like a bubbling up. It's like a bubbling up.